GM has just announced the 2026 GMC Canyon, and updates and new specs reveal 7 reasons why waiting for the new model is worth every cent. If you thought that further updates would also bring a noticeable price increase and price out many potential buyers, you'll be amazed by the new model's pricing and everything it gives in return. The new Canyon brings nothing but a minor price increase, which, combined with all the upgrades and updates, makes it possibly the best value GMC has ever offered. Number 7. Nightfall Essentials Package. The 2026 Canyon is introducing the Nightfall Essentials package, which transforms the truck's appearance while maintaining affordability across non-AT4X models. This package represents GMC's understanding that buyers want aggressive styling without the premium price tag of top-tier trims. The Nightfall Essentials package includes 275/60 R20 all-terrain black wall tires mounted on 20-inch machine-faced wheels with dark pockets. These wheels alone provide a dramatic visual upgrade over standard offerings, giving the Canyon a more substantial road presence. The package also adds black GMC emblems and badges throughout the exterior, creating a cohesive blacked-out appearance that rivals much more expensive trucks. What makes this package particularly appealing is its availability across the Canyon lineup, excluding only the AT4X trim. Elevation and AT4 buyers can now access styling elements that were previously reserved for higher trim levels or aftermarket modification. The all-terrain tires aren't just for show either. They provide enhanced traction in varied conditions while maintaining reasonable road manners for daily driving. GMC has streamlined this package compared to previous Nightfall offerings, removing elements like rocker panel protectors and bed-mounted sports bars that added cost without universal appeal. This focused approach delivers maximum visual impact at a more accessible price point, making it the perfect customization option for buyers who want their Canyon to stand out for years to come. But good looks alone don't make a truck worth buying, and that's why the next update is all about performance where it matters most: off-road. Number 6. Off-road performance improvements. The 2026 Canyon AT4X is receiving factory upgrades that elevate its off-road capabilities beyond what was previously possible from the dealership. GMC is offering a factory lift kit option for the AT4X trim, complete with Multimatic Jounce Control dampers that transform the truck's suspension performance. This factory lift kit represents a significant advancement over aftermarket solutions. The Multimatic dampers are the same technology used in high-performance off-road vehicles, providing superior articulation and control over rough terrain. These aren't basic lift spacers, they're engineered specifically for the Canyon's chassis and integrated with the truck's electronic systems. The benefits extend beyond just increased ground clearance. With the factory lift kit, the AT4X gains improved approach and departure angles, while the Multimatic dampers maintain stability and comfort during aggressive off-road driving. This system works in harmony with the truck's existing locking differentials and terrain management systems to create an off-road package that rivals dedicated rock crawlers. Of course, being capable off-road is important, but the Canyon also had to improve how it looks and feels on the street, and that's exactly where the next change comes in. Number 5. Enhanced road presence. The 2026 Canyon is receiving styling enhancements that significantly improve its visual appeal and customization options. GMC is introducing new color options, including Coastal Dune, which replaces the previous Deep Bronze Metallic, providing buyers with fresh aesthetic choices. The wheel upgrades are particularly noteworthy. The elevation trim is switching from dark gray painted 18-inch wheels to gloss black aluminum wheels, while the AT4 receives the same change with a machine finish. These updates provide a more premium appearance across the lineup without requiring buyers to step up to higher trim levels. Black badging options are expanding throughout the range, becoming standard equipment on Denali Black Edition models and available across other trims. This trend toward blacked-out styling elements reflects current buyer preferences and helps the Canyon maintain a contemporary appearance that won't look dated in 5 years. The combination of new colors, upgraded wheels, and expanded black accent options means buyers can configure their Canyon to match their personal style more precisely than ever before. This level of customization typically requires aftermarket modification, but GMC is building these options into the factory ordering process. A truck that perfectly matches the owner's preferences from day one is far less likely to be traded in for something different, but even with all this style, a truck isn't worth much if it can't deliver where it counts: under the hood. That's where the Canyon's powertrain comes in. Number 4. Competent powertrain. The 2026 Canyon continues with the Turbomax 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, but this powertrain represents one of the most advanced offerings in the midsize truck segment. With 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, this engine produces more torque than any base engine option in its class. This turbocharged four-cylinder provides the torque characteristics that truck buyers need while delivering efficiency that V6 engines simply cannot match. The broad torque curve means power is available exactly when needed, whether pulling away from traffic lights or climbing steep grades with a loaded trailer. The 8-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine represents sophisticated engineering that maximizes both performance and efficiency. The transmission's wide ratio spread allows the engine to operate in its optimal power band more often, resulting in better acceleration and improved fuel economy. This combination creates a driving experience that feels more responsive than naturally aspirated V6 engines while consuming less fuel. Looking ahead, this turbocharged architecture positions the Canyon well for future electrification or hybrid integration. As the automotive industry continues evolving toward electrified powertrains, turbocharged engines provide the ideal foundation for hybrid systems. Buyers choosing the 2026 Canyon are investing in powertrain technology that will remain relevant and competitive throughout the truck's ownership cycle. Power is one thing, but a true truck needs to pull its weight. Literally. That's why the next reason is all about towing. Number 3. Towing capacity. The Canyon's towing capabilities establish it as a genuine workhorse that eliminates the need for full-size truck ownership for many buyers. With a maximum towing capacity of 7,700 pounds across elevation AT4 and Denali trim levels, the Canyon matches or exceeds many full-size trucks from previous generations. Together with its sibling, the Chevrolet Colorado, the Canyon leads the midsize segment in towing capability. This isn't just about peak numbers. The truck's integrated trailer management systems, including the standard ProGrade trailering system, make towing safer and more convenient than ever before. The ProGrade system includes trailer profiles that remember specific trailer characteristics, departure checklists to ensure nothing is forgotten, and a trailer load calculator that helps prevent overloading. These digital tools transform towing from a stressful activity into a manageable part of truck ownership. The system even provides maintenance reminders based on towing frequency and load weights. This level of towing capacity and sophistication means Canyon owners can handle boat trailers, travel trailers, equipment haulers, and other significant loads without compromise. The capability remains constant throughout the truck's life, meaning owners won't outgrow their Canyon's abilities as their towing needs evolve. For buyers who need genuine work capability, this towing capacity represents a long-term investment that eliminates the need to trade up to larger, more expensive trucks. But being strong on the outside is only half the story. The real surprise comes when you step inside. Number 2. Luxurious cabin. The Canyon's interior sets it apart in a segment where most competitors prioritize utility over refinement. GMC has created a cabin environment that rivals premium SUVs while maintaining the functionality truck buyers demand. The Denali trim represents the pinnacle of midsize truck luxury, featuring perforated genuine leather upholstery, wood trim accents, and premium materials throughout the cabin. These appointments aren't just surface treatments. They represent fundamental differences in material quality and construction methods that create a more refined ownership experience. The technology integration enhances the luxury experience without overwhelming it. Every Canyon receives an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, while higher trims add features like head-up displays and premium Bose audio systems. The digital instrument cluster provides a customizable information display that adapts to different driving situations. This level of interior refinement means Canyon owners enjoy a premium driving experience that won't feel outdated or cheap as the truck ages. While competitors focus on rugged utility, GMC has created a cabin that makes every drive feel special. Owners who experience this level of comfort and convenience daily are far less likely to consider trading their truck for something else. Number 1. Minor price increase. Despite all these enhancements, the 2026 Canyon's pricing remains remarkably reasonable. The Elevation 4x2 starts at $38,900, representing just a $500 increase over the 2025 model. The Elevation 4x4 increases by the same $500 to $42,200, while the AT4 4x4 actually decreases by $300 to $45,400. The Denali 4x4 sees the largest increase at $1,000, bringing its starting price to $53,000. The new AT4X standalone trim is priced at $57,200, providing a clear upgrade path for serious off-road enthusiasts. Even the range-topping AT4X AEV edition, while expensive at $69,395, represents significant value when compared to the cost of achieving similar capabilities through aftermarket modifications. When factoring in the enhanced equipment levels, styling improvements, and new package options, the 2026 Canyon actually represents a better value than its predecessor. It's also an even better off-roader than it was. The minimal price increases mean buyers get substantially more truck without substantially higher payments. But as great as the new Canyon is, the real question is how it stacks up against its mechanical twin, which is why you have to see this video, which you can see now on your screen, about the reasons to wait for the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The two trucks share most of their parts, but they represent two different philosophies of pickup design. We found that Chevy's truck, although less upscale, does everything Canyon does, if not even more, and that's something you absolutely need to see.